I wanna hear you say that you only want me. That you only want me. Some kind of magic. You came into my life.
Hello, beautiful babes, and welcome back to Beauty by Sweet Angel. If this is the first time you're hanging out on my channel, welcome to you as well. Go ahead and join my beautiful babe brigade. Simply click the subscribe button and tap the post notification bell. And that way, you'll be in the know every time I upload. Y'all, today's essential oil of today is Myrrh Essential Oil. I just wanted to share the top things that I know about this wonderful oil and some things that you may need to know before using it. Let's go ahead and get started today. This is my Myrrh Essential Oil and it is from SVA Organics. SVA Organics is an Amazon seller, and that is where this oil was ordered from. I will have my affiliate link below in the description box for you in case you want to order. And as you know about affiliate links, if you make a purchase after clicking on my link, of course, I will make a small commission, and I thank you for supporting the channel. Let's get right into Myrrh Essential Oil and the top things you need to know about it. Let's just talk about the scent for a moment. The aroma is warm, dry, musky, woody, herbaceous, and smoky. Myrrh essential oil is often used as a base note in perfumery, as it blends well with the citrus, spicy, and floral oils. Now let's just talk about purpose of it, benefits, uses, and how to use it. So just starting from 1 to how many ever little footnotes I have here. Let's talk about it. Myrrh oil has therapeutic properties that fade away dark spots and can be beneficial for maintaining glowing skin. Applying it topically will improve your skin elasticity, tone, and firmness. It'll also help in preventing premature aging. It helps in reducing the appearance of wrinkles, fine lines, and age spots. Myrrh oil's antioxidant properties make it a rejuvenating and soothing moisturizer when applied to the skin after dilution with a carrier oil. The suggested carrier oils include almond, grapeseed, and jojoba. Alternatively, you can add 1 to 2 drops of Myrrh essential oil with an unscented lotion or face cream before application. You can use it daily. This blend is known to reduce the signs of aging, such as wrinkles and fine lines. Steam-distilled myrrh oil has a soothing scent that wakes up your mind and spirit. It will also help improve your energy level. It's great for peace of mind. To diffuse a blend that reduces feelings of anxiety and enhances energy, relaxation, and well-being, simply mix together 12 drops of myrrh essential oil and 8 drops of sweet orange essential oil. Pour 7 drops of this blend into your diffuser. It's a highly effective essential oil for body massages and scalp massages. Just add a few drops to a bath or in a diffuser and get relief from stress throughout the day. It has a soothing scent that makes it one of the best essential oils to combat stress. For a natural foot lotion, use myrrh to soothe and smooth dry, calloused feet. Just blend 10 drops of myrrh essential oil, frankincense essential oil, and lemon essential oil with fractionated coconut oil. This may also be massaged into dry cuticles. This blend may accelerate relief from athlete's foot, eczema, wounds, and ulcers. Myrrh essential oil is also good to use even if you have very sensitive skin, oily skin, dry skin, and combination skin. So it's good for all skin types. And this is one I really didn't know and never have tried, but they say it's great for mouthwash. Now, of course, you know I am aware of this. It is great to help prevent hair loss, and it also promotes hair growth. Now, that's about 13 benefits, uses, etc. of Myrrh Essential Oil. If you know of any more, make sure you list them in the comments for everybody to see. Share that good information with us. I appreciate you, beautiful babes. And if you have any further questions about Myrrh Essential Oil, simply give me a shout down in the comment section. I'll be glad to help you out. And beautiful babes, again, you can pick up Myrrh Essential Oil right on Amazon Prime. I am your girl, Sweet Angel, right here at Beauty by Sweet Angel. Make sure you make a footnote. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the post notification bell so the next time I got a good one for you, you'll be one of the first to know. Y'all, I'm out of here. Thanks so much for stopping by. Enjoy the rest of your day. And please share me with your world. And I'll see you on the next video.